TSFTV をご覧いただきありがとうございます。
My name is Otsu from Horizon. This time, TSFTV was filmed during the state of emergency. Tokyo, Kyoto, and Horizon Innovation Park. We will show you the video taken by 3 places to prevent infection. It's a little different from any video we've ever taken. TSFTV Volume 5 offers you the latest information of Screen and Horizon about the workflow of inkjet inline perfect binding system. Today's guest is Noda-san from Screen Graphic Solutions.
I'm Noda from Screen Graphic Solutions. Have you ever wondered how printing machine and finishing machine work correspondingly to make books with different sizes and pages? As we said before, software is very important in this whole movement. In the conventional printing process, operations are required to change the holding patterns and cutting settings when they switch jobs. However, using software makes them automatic. This time, as a second part of Screen, I'd like to talk about software. This animation shows the conventional printing and finishing process of books. As you could see, there are a lot of divided processes and dedicated operators in front of each machine. In addition, books need to be created from job to job. So until all the books are ready, they can set picking and sorting. As a result, they need a lot of skilled workers and time. If they would make various kind of books with a small number of copies, that is the most suitable field of continuous feed printer. Unlike the offset press, it can print different pages in the right order and create books as required. The finishing machine can do finishing processes according to the specification of the books. Continuous feed printer can print in optimized for each delivery destination. Thanks to this, they can reduce picking and sorting process. Actually, we had showed this operation at the event of Horizon Innovation Park last year. So, let's see more details. The point for designing automated workflow is making a rule eliminating the human touchpoints. To utilize equals smart job binder and equals, they can do that. When the printing various kind of books with a small number of copies, it is one of the heavy tasks to sort jobs. However, if they use equals smart job binder to group jobs, it's easy for them to sort it, print, process, and ship. Specifically, at first equals smart job binder gets the data from MIS, and then smart job binder arranges them into groups depending on the kind of paper and sizes. Next is batching the group of jobs as one roll of paper. Lastly, smart job binder sends the PDF for printing and the ticket for process. In equals, reprocessing started automatically by using the ticket for process. From equals smart job binder and directly to the printer. There is no need operator in equals and processing is automatically started, so they can take a lot of jobs to print easily. Other important things are imposition processing. Each publication is different size and pages. If they manufacture various kind of books with a small number of copies, it will take a lot of time to prepare imposition patterns and assign pages to write pattern one by one. Even that, these are also automatically started in equals, therefore there are no manpower at all. To be specific, the imposition patterns are selected one after another, according to the job ticket and the page assigned is automatically processed. Let's see a simple image. This is the imposition pattern set in advance. In this time, we have prepared the imposition of a combination of 12 pages and 8 pages. We input the data to equals, and equals will calculate the data based on the total number of pages automatically, then set the imposition patterns for each job. For example, Adventure of Huckleberry Finn is a book having 352 pages. To use equals, we will have 28 units of 12 pages and 2 units of 8 pages. Until now, this task has been done by hand, but equals can do the calculate automatically. Equals can amend the layout of the imposition according to the size of the books as instructed automatically, so that the finishing process can be performed correctly. Moreover, equals can generate the control code of the finishing process, such as the job ID and the serial number of the seat, and then attach it to each signature. To summarize, equals Smart Job Binder is used to automate job registration and optimize job batching. And equals is used to automate leave, setting imposition layout and page assign. In this way, equals Smart Job Binder and equals can automate the bookmaking process that people used to take a lot of time to do.
Thank you, Noda-san. In the next topic, we will introduce the bookbinding system with real machines at Horizon Innovation Park. This time also, Fujimoto from Horizon will introduce inkjet inline perfect binding system. I'll explain how to finish books with different size and thickness by Screen's equals 520 HD series and Horizon smart binding system working together in line. In the result of imposition by equals, this sample is a combination of 8 pages and 12 pages signatures. Thanks to the capability of handling multiple types of signatures, it supports various count of pages and prevents generating blank pages. Cutting and folding position information is communicated by reading printed barcodes. First, Funkero's cutting machine CS8 scans the barcode, and the machine cuts from roll to sheet of 8 pages and 12 pages signatures, and then it perforates according to the folding patterns. After that, the reader of the folding machine scans the same barcode to control 8 pages and 12 pages signatures. The signature is folded to book block size, and it is carried to Horizon's book block making machine BBS40. After scanning the end mark of each book job at the entrance of BBS40, it takes the book blocks towards the perfect binding system one by one. By reading the end mark, it creates the books with a different page volume. Just before book block making, it verifies if sheets are collated in the correct order. At the same time of the verification process, it discharges the defective products depending on the real-time inspection results that the printer sent before. From now on, Noda-san from Screen will explain the inspection system.
In this part, I will talk about jet inspection. 520 HD series has a built-in inspection device called jet inspection. It scans the entire printed image and then instantly compares the left image and defect difference. If jet inspection finds difference like nose clogging stain, it will send the defect information to the finishing machine of Horizon. Then the defective product will be discharged automatically after book block making process.
Thank you, Noda-san. The defective books detected by jet inspection are discharged at the end of book block making system. By getting rid of all defective products prior to binding, it ensures reliable production to manufacture only quality books. The book blocks, including stains we attached on purpose, are discharged correctly. Book blocks are properly bound by optimized settings for each thickness determined from measurements. Furthermore, the machine scans the barcode on the book blocks and the covers to confirm the consistency. At first, it scans the barcode of the book block. Next, it scans the barcode on the cover. If the barcode matches each other, first press will start. If the barcode doesn't match each other, the next cover will be carried automatically. In this way, it is possible to bind the book blocks and the covers correctly. The books are carried on the chiller conveyor to the 3-side trimmer HT1000B for finishing. The barcode on the cover is scanned at the entrance of HT1000B. so that the machine changes the thickness and the size of the books automatically and cut each of the books to a different finish. The cutting information can be got from the memory of HD1000B and Horizon's JDF workflow system IceLink. Finishing processes pre-controlled by barcodes and real-time data coordination with workflow system can make books with different thickness and sizes possible with guaranteed print quality without stopping machines.
Smart Factory will become true by Screen과 520HD series and Horizon's smart binding system working together in line. We will continue to cooperate together and create a variety of solutions to you.
The large machines are displayed and demonstrated at Horizon Innovation Park. If you have a chance, please come to here. That's all for TSF TV Volume 5. Thank you very much for your watching.
Thank you.